Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how I trim my hair at home. Now here's a quick disclaimer: if you are a professional, baby, don't even watch this video, okay? This is going to trigger you. This is just how I choose to do it at home because I don't have time to go to a professional all the time, and this is just what I wanted to share for those of you who are like me, okay? So I'm using these scissors that I got off of Amazon. Like an idiot, I'm holding them upside down, but that's okay? They're called Equinox. They're actually great quality, so I'm going to leave them down below if you're interested. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm working with. I'm going to detangle with my knockoff easy detangler I got off of AliExpress, okay? And I'm going to show you guys my length. So this is how long my hair is right now prior to trimming it. Which is pretty good. So I have my hair sectioned off in 8 twists on each side. So it's just my regular 4 sections split in half each. And then I'm going to split that in half again to trim. So I detangled with the easy detangler, and then I'm going to go ahead and detangle with the tail comb to make sure that it's fully detangled, because as you can see, there was still some knots in there. I'm going to run my fingers along the section, and then I'm going to stop where there's a texture change and where the hair gets thinner. If you want a full detailed video on when to know that it's time for a trim, I will link my video on that above and below. So I'm just going to trim right along the area where, you know, I feel that the ends are about to get thinner. And that's just how I do it. So that's how much I cut off the first time around. And then I'm going to go ahead and just trim off the little pieces that I left and any single strand knots that I see. And then I'm going to go ahead and detangle again to make sure that it's all gone, and if not, I'm gonna go ahead and trim again. So this is how long my hair is after I trimmed it, and as you can see, it really isn't much that I lost. Once the section is all, you know, detangled and it's good to go, I'm gonna go ahead and twist it so that it doesn't shrink up again, and then I'm gonna start the same process on the other side. I'm not gonna finish that full section, all right? I'm gonna go ahead, go to the next twist, split it in half, and start the process over. This is how I make sure that I'm keeping my hair just as even as I can all over. It's just my personal preference. It's just easiest for me to do it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and start out by detangling with the easy detangler, then with the tail comb, then going in, feeling for the texture change between my fingers, and then trimming my ends, okay? Pretty simple, guys, pretty easy. This is how I do it. There's no like super crazy method to this. So I'm just going to show you guys what the section looks like once I'm done cutting both sections. Normally I don't untwist it again. I just will pull the twist down to see if it's just about even, because y'all, I don't wear my hair straight, so it really doesn't matter. But yeah, I'll normally just pull the sections down while they're twisted to see if they're close enough, and then I'll go about my business. As you can see, I found some single strand knots left in there, so I just went ahead, pulled them, and clipped them and moved on. So y'all, this is pretty much it. I'm just gonna go ahead and shut up and let you guys watch the rest of the video, because yeah, there's really nothing to it but to do it, you feel me? So I'm just gonna repeat that process all over. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the next half of the twist that I started out with and just start all over, and I'm literally going to do that for the rest of my head. once I'm done, y'all, this is what I'm looking like. Once I let out the twist, this is what my hair looks like. It's shrinking up, which is why it looks like there's such a drastic change, but it's fine. My ends are super healthy. This is how much hair I cut out. As you can see, not a lot. Well, my hair is still long. It looks healthy all around. It ain't even, it ain't perfect, but it works for me. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you if you were looking to trim at home, especially because we're in quarantine and it's kind of hard to get to a salon right now. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.